Hello everyone, welcome back. Now I want to send an email with the answers given by the students. It might be right or wrong. I just want to display what is their answer. So I'll be setting the keyword at key is equal to from the answered D. I want to read based on their key. This is my answer submitted D. This is the D which will be reading their subscriber key, and based on the subscriber key, I want to pull the data which has been submitted by them. This is the D where I'll be writing the lookup process. Set at answers is equal to lookup rows, comma, based on the contact key with at key variable. So now, if they've answered it, if at, let me take the answers count is equal to row count at answers, I would like to display the information. If at answers count is greater than or equal to 1, then else, and if the answers count is greater than 1, I would like to display their answers for at I is equal to 1 to at answer count do next at I. So I want to display the question and their answer. I want to display the question and their answer. So where do I get the questions? So the questions are pulled from the questions table. This one. So let me take the questions. Okay. Question count. I want to pull their answers, right? So I need to display the question set at question record is equal to row at questions, comma at I. So this will be having the question. So I would like to display the question itself. Question is equal to field from the at question record with the question. Yeah. So for that, I'll be taking the quiz B, and here I need the question. Question will be stored here, which I want to display, and their answers. So how do I get the answer? So I need to get the answers D into answer record. Answer record. This is your question. Answers. From the answer, I'll take an variable where I'll try to read the row based on that at I, and it will be coming from at answer record. Okay. So I have the question and the answer given by the student. I want to display the question and the answer. If I want to display the question and their answer, um, got the question. Okay, this is my answer record. From answer row answers from the answer record, I need to get the field. Field answer record, comma, double quotes, what is their answer? What is their answer? Is stored in the answers D with the answer here. Okay, that is the number. I have answer record, answer, question record, question. Okay, now I would like to display their answers from the question record. I need the options. OP1, option 1 coming from the options. Okay, quiz from this DE, I need the option. Option 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. I need the options. I have the question. I have the options. I have their answer. Now I need to display that number here, right? So for that, I'll be taking and printing the question number. Question number, which is given by at I. Okay, question number, which will display the question, which is coming here. Double percentage, double equals double percentage at question itself. Okay, and then it will display their answers. So option 1 will display the option. OP1. One with the break. Two, three, four. Right? Option one, two, three, four. Option one, two, three, and four. This will be embedded in H4, H4, and this will be displayed in H5. H5. What is if their answer is one of these two? So this is dependent on this one. I need to display what is their answer. Your answer will be displayed by at n. Okay. And here my AM script starts again. So this is the content which I want to display it here. Line number 22. Huh? Line number 22. Answer record at the rate from 7. Done editing. Let's see whether we are able to fetch the answer. And now it is checking for the data extension quiz answer submitted by this subscriber key. So question number 1, who is the father of C programming? Charles Dennis James Ritchie. Your answer is 1. And this is the result what we are getting, correct? So now let me go to, this is my triggered ND. I'll clear it for now. I'll go to submitted answers, this one. I'll clear it. Now, let me go to my email and submit a different answer. Let me do this. I'll go to tracking, that is the interactions. Quiz. Save it. I'm changing the email now. And validation error. I'll go back to answer submitted. Save it again. This worked. Select it. Publish the changes. and start it again. Now I'm expecting good here to take the quiz. Who is the father of C program is James. Which data type is void? Let me submit the answer. I should get the email now with answers. Okay. It is taking too long. Let's see, I received it in the email or something like. Yes, I received the email. Now you can see who is the father of C programming? Charles Dennis Ritchie. Your answer is 3. I don't say whether it is right or wrong. What data type cannot be used as a variable in float? And your answer is 3. So this is what I wanted to achieve. This next email, next build will be your answer. I need to print whether it is right or wrong here. I need to print whether it is right or wrong, which will be built in our next video. Thank you.